also have a look at power transmitted by these two types of connection, and to get that, stick to the video. Connection shown in this figure is one of the way to connect three-phase generator to the load. As you can see, this connection requires 6 wires to connect. The 3 single-phase circuits shown in this figure are electrically independent. But if you observe the image carefully, you will find that we can combine the 3 return conductors together to form a single return conductor. By doing this, we have saved cost of 2 conductors as the number of conductors are reduced from 6 to 4. And that's a great saving. Now, this common return conductor is called as neutral conductor. It carries sum of 3 currents, that is IA plus IB plus IC. At first, many of the people will think that the conductor required for neutral should be 3 times in the size than the other 3 conductors, as it is carrying sum of all the 3 return currents. But as we know, current of the 3 phases are out of phase by 120 degrees from each other, and if we draw a waveform for this current, it will look like this. Now, if you observe the diagram carefully, you will find that the sum of return currents is 0 at every instance. For example, at instance corresponding to 240 degree, IC is equals to maximum. IB and IA is equals to minus 0.5 Imax. So if we add these return currents, we will get sum equals to 0, and this is true for every instance. We can therefore remove the neutral conductor without affecting the voltage or current in the circuit. So we have reduced the number of conductors from 6, which was the initial stage, to 3. 50% saving in conductor cost. However, the load shown in the circuit must be identical if you want to remove the neutral conductor. If your load is not identical, then removing neutral conductor can cause unequal voltages across the load. So, in an ideal situation or in the situation where load is equal, current flowing through neutral conductor is always 0. And this is a very commonly used question in technical interview. The conditions where load is not